video, you'll discover how with just a few pallets, you can build a practical table, a beautiful sofa for your living room, a modern and useful shelf, a fantastic bed, and a perfect wardrobe to store all your clothes. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Want to make a table with your own hands and some wooden pallets? Well, take advantage of your free time and do it. As you can see, it's important to measure and fit all the pieces correctly. Be patient and enjoy the process. It's incredible to see how it's made. Transforming wooden pallets into a table is amazing. And this is the result. From these pallets, we have this wonderful table. What do you think of this sofa made of wooden pallets? It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Sanding and painting the wood, attach the pieces and put wheels on the bottom so the table can be moved around. It's the perfect piece of furniture for your at-home terrace or patio. Dare to give it a try? If you like wooden decor, this is your chance to make your own bookshelf. You just need a few wooden pallets and a little creativity. A shelf needs a good finish, and we have to make sure that it's properly aligned on the wall. Be sure that the clamp has a strong hold to support the weight of the shelf. This step is very important. we've made our own shelf from just a few pallets. Without a doubt, it's a great way to recycle materials and transform them. It's fantastic. Like this bed made of wooden pallets? Well, you're in luck because below you'll see how it's made. It's important to pay attention to the small details, like painting and sanding the pallets in your favorite color. In this case, we're going to need 6 pallets. The key is to put all the pieces together. The last step is to place the mattress and bedding, and that's it! We can now enjoy a large and beautiful bed made of our pallets. Did you know that it's possible to build a wardrobe just using some wooden pallets? Well, in this video, you'll discover how. Here we see how we begin the process by carefully measuring and sizing the pallets. Having a large area to work and organize materials is very helpful for this. Little by little, the wardrobe is taking form. You can paint it a color that you like or just leave it with this rustic look. What do you think? We now have a closet with several areas for organizing clothing and other pieces. Nice work! If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, click like, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. You'll love it!